My name is Tom Nally and this is video 06 of Liberty Basic CAD. Liberty Basic CAD, or LBCAD, is a 2D CAD program written in the Liberty Basic programming language. The most recent developmental version of LBCAD can be found at LBCAD's website, lbcad.wikispaces.com. In video 06, I'm going to show you what marker points are and how to use them. Marker points are cross-shaped symbols which locate a specific point in 2D space. Although the marker point symbol, the cross, has a size property, the marker point itself does not convey size. All it does is identify a position in space. Marker points are established at specific X and Y coordinates which you, as the user, give it. Once a marker point is set, you can snap to it to create other more interesting objects. You can make marker points in two ways. Either use the menu command, I'll show that now, marker points, add marker point, it's that command right there, or you can press this button on the toolbar, this one right here. Let me demonstrate how to use marker points. Say that I want to draw a circle whose center is exactly at the coordinates x equals 20 and y equals 60. Say also that I want this circle to have a radius of exactly 10. To do that, I will first set a marker point at x equals 20, y equals 60. Here's how I do that. First, I click the marker point button and a prompt box comes up asking me for the marker point's coordinates. Here we go. Click the button. There's the prompt box, which I'll move in front of the camera. Enter the x and y coordinates separated by at least one space. I'm going to enter 20 space 60. Now I'll click OK. And here's my marker point located at x equals 20 and y equals 60. Now I'm going to set another marker point at x equals 30 and y equals 60. And there's my second marker point. Okay, now I'm going to create a circle using the first marker point as the circle's center and the second marker point as a point on the circle's perimeter. Let me click the circle button first. I'll use this circle button. Now I'm going to draw the circle by snapping on the first marker point, then the second. Let me click the marker point snap mode. Alright, we were successful. We have a circle which is centered at 2060 and which has a radius of 10. To prove it, let's look at this circle's properties. Alright, circle, view, edit circle properties. This circle here. Let me move the camera. Notice that the center is at x equals 20, y equals 60, and the radius is 10. Okay, we've taken care of that. Marker points have properties of their own which we can change if we like. For example, say that we want this marker point to be represented by a larger cross and have the color red. To do that, go to the marker point menu and select View, Edit, Marker Point Properties. Click on the marker point we want to edit, and this dialog box comes up. I'm going to change the marker size to 30 pixels and the marker color to red. And click on the Accept button. Alright, there's our marker point whose symbol is changed to a larger red cross. We can also hide a marker point entirely by changing its visible property as the dialog box shows. Watch this. Here's the dialog box again. If I unclick this checkbox and then press accept, that marker point will be hidden, but I won't do that at this time. Once you've hidden a marker point, you can show it again by selecting Show All Hidden Marker Points from the Marker Point menu. That's located right here. Okay. This completes Liberty Basic CAD Video 06. I would like to thank the following people: Carl Gundel for Liberty Basic, Alice Watson for Liberty Basic Workshop, Dennis McKinney for JALBE, and Jerry Mulver for WikiWriter.